Paul Kilcrease with Solace Plumbing. So just wanted to go over the main details of the building. So right behind you, you have a 2-inch water main ball valve. This will kill water to the whole building. So if you have any kind of leaks or any kind of issue, you can just shut this valve off and it will kill the whole building. Also in here you have a floor drain to catch all the pumps and discharge lines for your fire equipment. That's everything in this room.
Thank you. Okay, Paul.
Okay, right here, this is your two-way clean out. This is the main sanitary sewer line coming into the building, going into the leak space.
And then in this building, how many sanitary leave out we have in the building?
There's like
4.
Like you talking about clean outs through the whole building?
No, I'm saying the connection for the sanitary sewer system. The sanitary.
You can connect to any clean out.
Okay.
So I think there's 22 clean outs inside of the building.
Okay.
Going from east and west, and then going from north and south.
Okay, and we can show that later. Okay.
All right, so you have 4 hose bibs on this building. You have 1 at the back, 1 in the front, and then 2 on the side. They all are key hose bibs, which we will provide y'all keys for them.
We're going to provide the key as he said.
You have a shut-off valve for each hose bib. You have a ball valve 10 foot off the floor. So if a ball valve ever leaks or a hose bib ever leaks, you can get up there and kill that ball valve, and that will kill the hose bibs.
Perfect. Ready when you are, Paul.
So this is your gas system that feeds 2 rooftop units on the roof. So if you ever have any problem where you're smelling gas or anything, you can come outside and shut this valve off, and this will kill gas going to the rooftops. You have 3
Just turn it 90 degrees and that's it.
Yeah, just turn it. So basically it's straight up and down. You want to turn it sideways, and then that's turned off. You have 3 openings for 3 future tenant finish out for their own gas system. That's pretty much all there.
Thank you.